Hey, hi Walid.
Hi,
Great
Stefan.
having you here at Gulfood.
Yeah, great to have you.
And I saw you have a lot of new solutions bought from digital. So I see asset health monitoring, but also now adding predictive maintenance. I see AI troubleshooting, a lot of new AI things. How about starting with asset health monitoring? Show us what are the new things, what we improved, what we want to do.
All right. Yes, sure. Let's start with asset health monitoring. It is our field-proven solution for the customers. It is running with our customers. And the objective of both smart signals and asset health monitoring is to do proactive maintenance with the customers. So if you look at the history, it was corrective and preventive. But now, because of the power of data and power of AI, we are able to predict anomalies and unusual machine behavior ahead of time to generate alerts and notifications that go directly to our customers, and a notification goes to the customer, pointing out exact place where they need to look for to solve the problem. So that is the power of AI and machine learning.
Cool. So you're doing it even now ahead before the failure is happening?
Yes, absolutely.
That's cool. That's
Yes.
cool.
And
Okay.
we are using complex models, which are machine learning models. So all of these models, they are using real-time data from the machine, critical parameters from the machine, plus the historical time series data. So combined, then we run the predictive modeling on top of it. And then it does statistical and correlation analysis and gives us the result.
Oh, that sounds super. Can you show us how it would look like? What is the method?
Yes. So if we look at this one, this graph over here, this is the point of potential failure.
Yeah.
Right? But we can predict this failure way over here, way in the beginning.
Oh, great.
So whenever there is unusual machine behavior or abnormal machine behavior, this one creates a service request notification that goes to our FSCs and customer teams so that they can proactively intervene and they can solve the problem. And the overall objective is to give customers with more uptime.
So you're increasing the uptime of our customers.
More
Great.
uptime, more quality throughput, and more production.
Perfect. Great. Great. Do you have examples of a customer?
Yes, we have one example over here, a real case example for the customer, where the asset health monitoring, with the help of asset health monitoring, we reduced the unplanned downtime by only 20%.
Oh,
and
great.
it yielded 5 million additional packs for the customer. So even if you do the cost benefit analysis, this much savings and this much higher throughput, I think it's amazing.
Okay, and so we already have it integrated in the region, so these are real cases?
Yes, we have one of the biggest customer in the region is already connected with asset health monitoring for last 4 years.
Oh, super. So great news, great news.
All right.
And then I saw you also have other things. So we also see we have now AI-driven troubleshooting. So
Yes.
that sounds super interesting.
Yes, so AI-driven troubleshooting is something new. So when we talked about asset health monitoring, our mission is that machine should not fail, okay? But it depends on a lot of internet connectivity on the customer side also. So let's say when a problem comes, then also we not need to worry, because AI-driven troubleshooting is targeting mean time to repair. So for example, if an FSC takes 4 hours, he will take only 1 hour with this tool, because all of our troubleshooting knowledge base is in the back-end database.
Okay.
So he just puts the problem statement and it generates the solution. And interestingly, the FSC or the customer, they can rate the solution. So depending on the rating, we continuously enhance our back-end database. And if not, the call goes directly to our reliability center.
So you're combining AI, but you still have, let's say, the old way with regarding reliability center, so that you can call a person and everyone can
absolutely.
help you. Perfect, perfect. Can we see an example? Is it real?
Yes, sure. So let me open this app. So we have some sample questions on which we have trained our backend model. So this is the app right in front of you. You can go to the Start Troubleshooter.
Okay.
And if you want to know about this, the platform, you just have to type help. And that's it. So you see here, welcome to AI-driven troubleshooting. How can it help you? Some magic commands.
So it's super easy.
And let's put some questions. All
yeah. Let's about what is the easy one. How about carton twist? We all know sometimes they have carton twist on the off conveyor.
Yes. So let's say we put this one. Is it the second one, right? What causes? Okay. So I'll just put half of it, just to show the power of AI. So you can see now the SIG Asset Intelligence is thinking.
So let's see what's... there's already the answer?
Yeah. So it has given the solution.
So very detailed. So very detailed what I have to do.
So
Okay, very
what you have to do-
intuitive.
yeah, now you have to go to the field and you have to apply it. If it works, you can give it
Okay.
a 4 or 5 star rating.
Yeah.
And you can also, like let's say 5 star rating, you can also share it with
I
your
also
peers.
can send it all to my peers. That's great.
Yes.
Okay.
But if you're not satisfied,
Yeah.
the moment you give a 3 rating or below that, this option pops up, which is talk to reliability expert. And that's it, you are being connected to our reliability.
That's our reliability center what that we have in Dubai here.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
great.
Yeah,
So
great.
a lot of new stuff, I think, great. And I think we have a lot of more, and I think people are interesting, always can visit you in the reliability center in Dubai, in our
Absolutely,
headquarters.
they can come to the reliability center and we can show them the demo of all of these solutions.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Walid.
Thank you.
It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you, Stefan.